Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming basics quickly: compatible iPhone, charged, and a current backup. Once done, enroll your Apple ID in the beta program or sign into a paid developer account. This gives your device permission to receive beta profiles. Next, download and install the iOS 19 beta configuration profile directly to your iPhone. Make sure to allow profile installation, restart when prompted, and then open settings to continue the upgrade process. Once the profile is active, go straight to Settings, General, Software Update, and you'll see iOS 19 beta available. Tap Download and Install. Use Wi-Fi and plug in the charger to prevent interruptions. While downloading, check storage. If low, offload apps or remove large media, then retry. After download completes, the installer will ask to confirm. Choose Install Tonight or Install Now. The device will reboot multiple times. Remain patient and do not interrupt the process. After installation, follow the on-screen setup prompts and sign back into your Apple ID. Apps will optimize and content will reindex. Make sure to open Feedback Assistant to report issues with clear steps so Apple can reproduce bugs. If something goes wrong, device won't boot or is unstable, connect to a computer and use recovery mode to restore from your backup or reinstall the public firmware. This is the safest rollback method. Keep backups current to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.